Hello everyone. So today we are traveling for Cambodia to Vietnam by bus and we are excited but also a bit nervous because this is our first time crossing a land border. So in this video we will share all the experience and all the tips which you required for this journey. So now we have reached the bus stop in Phnom Penh. As you can see here written as also Cambodia to Vietnam. So bus stop is near from the city center of Phnom Penh. So now let me take you to the bus tour. So this is our bus which will take us to Vietnam. So the bus was quite good, and if you will see, the seats are also good and spacious. So we have taken the early morning bus around 5 to 6 a.m. because we wanted to reach Vietnam early, and the bus cost was around 20 to 30 dollar, and the ticket we have booked offline in the local market. So now our bus has started, and after around 4 hours of journey we will reach to Cambodia border, which is Bavet Moc Bai border. So this one is the most popular crossing whenever people are doing cross border via Cambodia to Vietnam or vice versa. And in this video if you will see, there are many hotels. So these hotels are near border itself. So some people stay here at the night and take early morning bus directly at the border, so they avoid four hours of journey from the city till border. So as you will see now here, we have reached the border gates, and here staff will ask us to get down from the bus, and then they will ask us to take our passport. Luggage will be there in the bus only. Now we have to go to the immigration office of Cambodia border, and as we know, we cannot do the recording or take a photo inside the immigration office. So once you enter inside the office, you have to keep your passport visa handy, and either you need to be queue depending how much crowd is there, or you can directly go towards the officer. Their officer will check your passport, proper validity of your visa, and then they will stamp the exit from the Cambodia. And there itself we have a directly exit gate where you will go towards the Vietnam side of immigration. Now sometime you have to do a short walk towards the immigration office, or your bus will also take you. So in our case, bus has taken towards the Vietnam. Here you can see this is the Cambodia flag, and now this is the Vietnam side of flag. So now we have to do another immigration for Vietnam. There again officer will check your visa, passport, and then they will give us the entry stamp. So after this process you can go back to your bus, and in most of the cases bus operator will take your passport, and inside the immigration office they will take you along with them, and this passport you can get it back once you return to the bus. So after all the required formalities, now our journey continues towards the Ho Chi Minh City, and it will take around 2 to 3 hours of journey from Moc Bai Vietnam border to reach District 1 in Saigon City. So this is how we have crossed the Cambodia Vietnam land border by bus, and we had a very smooth immigration. So here are few important travel tips which help you to do the smoother immigration. Pause the video and take the screenshot. If you have any question or query, do let us know in the comment section, and do forward this video to your friends who are planning to cross Cambodia or Vietnam border crossing via land. And do watch, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.